Hello, my name is Wambui Wamae Kamiru Collymore and I'm an installation artist. I make my artwork in my studio, which is based in Nairobi, and my studio allows me a space for experimentation and for gathering thoughts. I am surrounded by a very positive and strong artist community where we share our skills and resources so that you can grow your practice. And being based in Nairobi means that I have access to a vibrancy that is very special, and this vibrancy breeds conversations, and from these conversations ideas about what I want to explore in my artwork come about. The main themes that I explore in my artwork are womanhood, decoloniality, and history. I also like to experiment with memory and how we remember things. It is interesting that I would say that I chose to be an artist when actually I believe that art chose me. I find it to be the form of expression that best brings truth to the world, and I don't take it for granted that I'm an artist, and I take great responsibility in the fact that my work in some way will influence others' thoughts and could possibly change the way that we experience the world.